make me try to solve, but instead I'm just going to pick up where I left off in the Code Academy stuff and see if we can't get into the next part, which I think they're going to make me do some sort of text adventure kind of deal using Java, which I'm assuming means there's going to be lots of those pop-up prompts. Um, yeah, exactly. Streaming really helps with the motivation as well because there's this connection happening and this feeling that, oh, I actually have to keep going because these people are here holding me accountable, which is hard to do for yourself sometimes. Hard to hold yourself accountable. All right. Doing another quick review, which is one of the reasons this is really useful spot to stop, because basically reviewing things is good, and reviewing them after a short break and all the things that are happening is extra good because I don't remember stuff. So reviews are good. All right, quick review. Data types are strings. They're inside of quotation marks. There's numbers, booleans, which search for true or false. Variables, which store various different datas. Bring back the values of these variables by just typing in the name. Manipulating numbers and strings. Do comparisons, which are booleans. Modulo, which is that percentage symbol, which takes. Hello, what?
The thing that everybody said you don't need to use.
Yeah, most people said the modulos are kind of useless generally, but some people also said that they would do certain things with them. But basically, for anybody who wants to use them, it's a percentage symbol. And what it does is it takes whatever the first number is in front of it, and then there's like the second number behind it, and it divides them, and then whatever the remainder is what it sends out. So if you have like 10 and you had 21, the remainder would be 1, which is kind of cool. I don't know, I can't think right now about what I would use it for, but there's a possibility that that could actually do something neat. I don't know. It's just a tool to use just in case. I can find string lengths by typing in .length, which inside of JavaScript is lowercase l, and inside of C# is an uppercase L. And substrings, which are also different depending on if you're using C# or Java, in at least so far. I haven't actually double checked this in Unity. But according to generating random numbers is what you would use modulo for. Really? Does that sound right, Calvin? My brain goes, but what? Oh, wait, I guess there could be some sort of interesting and complicated thing that occurs there. Yeah, no, I think I see how that could help create randomness. Um, okay. Oh, anyway, back on track here. Substrings in Java and JavaScript is pulling the first of all, whatever is inside of the string that it's trying to pull from starts, it assigns the first letter or number or whatever that space is as 0 and then counts up from there. And in Java, it goes where you want it to start pulling and right where you want it to end. And in C#, it goes right where you want to start pulling and then for how long you want to pull for. So for X amount of characters. So then we have the console.log, which is the same as print in C#, which prints to the console, which in in this interesting Code Academy thing is this box right over here. All right, so what am I going to do? On line 1, create the variable myColor and give it a string value. All right, and so they want the C to be capitalized. MyColor. And I want it to be potato blue. That's a pretty color, blue potatoes. Hey, Bob. Welcome to the stream. I'm doing more programming. Surprise. All right, so that's string value. And line 2, print the length of my color to the console. Oh, so they're just, yeah. Console.log my color dot length loop. I think gets brackety brackets. Time to be completely appropriate. I might be wrong. Let me see if that worked. Oops, what did I do wrong? Color on line 1 was not defined before. Oh, I left out var. That would do it. Let me see if that's all it needed. My gosh, all these things fell out of my brain. I kind of almost wish it didn't pop up and tell me what was actually wrong. I would like to stop and think about it myself. Did I leave anything else out? My color, data blue. Brackets, console.log. Then inside of these is the actual thing that. Okay. But it not want these. Yeah. No. Oh. I'm super happy that there's people of like 5 years and people of a month. Um, both in chat. That's perfect. Perfect balance. All right. So I call. Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go. I'm warming up. It's been a hectic day. Oh, hello again. Oh, I don't know what I should. Part of your name is Bail Chen. What should I call you? You're gonna keep visiting. I need to know how to properly address you. All right, so I got that right. It's a little embarrassing, but it's hard to remember all this stuff. Write your own if-else statement. The only instruction is that the result of evaluating the statement is a log to the console of I finished my first course. Hack, hack with a silent E or hake? Hake. All right, not sure where to begin. Click the hint. I don't need a hint. I want to do it myself. Well, since I'm writing an if statement, I should start with if. If, okay. If strings, so start there. Girls just want to have fun. Dot length. Whoa. Is greater than oh no wait. Yeah, no, that'll be fun. Pancakes are the best dinner. Dot length. I actually don't know which one is bigger. I don't want to count. I don't want to know. Small hatchet. Invention. Cool. Nifty neat. I like it. If that happens, then print. So console log. This time, I know that I'm a little bit confused because I know that in C# I need lots of brackets all over the place. I'm going to say I need brackets because brackets make me feel more comfortable, and I know they're supposed to be like everywhere. So even if I'm doing it wrong here. Okay, console.log says just wanna. Else. Ooh, Ellie, that's not it. Else. Console.log. Oh, and I'm forgetting all the things that I gotta do, like that and that. Let's see, is this proper? I'm not gonna hit send yet because I don't want to see it tell me things. QMZN. Maybe, yeah. But I'm not trying to write the whole song. I'm trying to decide if pancakes are better than girls having fun. Hmm. Uh, Brackets indicate the beginning and end of a block of code. So this is probably maybe right. All right, go. Heck yeah, pancakes. All right, so my code worked. Awesome. So now, in order to pass this, I need to write, instead of heck yeah, pancakes, I finished my first course. Woo! Oh, yeah, I'm learning JavaScript, but I'm also learning C# at the same time. So yeah, I've got Unity here, bloop, in case I need to do anything to test to see if it's something that I can do. Java. That's some of the things you just can't do. Like I know for a fact the console.log is not how you would necessarily get the data to display in Unity. You would type print and things like that, and the length here would be a capital L. But this should work. Finished my first course. Code achievement. Get taught. Kelvin, I got a high five. I did a thing. They emailed me. They're so proud. If Calvin, if
Yeah.
this was in Unity, since I thought I had your attention, but you're gone. Never mind.
No,
Screw you.
if it
That's
is in
fine.
my attention. More.
Is this exactly what I would like? Swapping this out for print, and this out for the capital length.
Yep, that would work.
That would work, right?
Mhm.
Sweet.
Okay.
Okay. So then I know these things. Now we're on to the next course.
This is the good stuff.
This is good stuff. That was just a recap of everything that we've already learned. Or I've already learned. Most of you already know what you're doing. Yay. So now I'm moving on to choose your own adventure. I'm making an adventure, guys. It'll be fun. This is going to be mostly, like from just guessing as how they're going to make this happen. It's going to mostly be using JavaScript, little like pop-up window things, which should be fun, whatever. It's all good. All right, let's see. You have some programming skills. I got programming skills. Yeah. Time to make something you can show people. No. No, I'm not showing anybody
Sure,
this.
all of it.
To nobody. Nobody's gonna see this.
Everybody
Calvin, you're ruining my dreams.
And everyone
No.
gets it.
Don't ruin my dreams. All right. And make something you can show people. I'm going to show you how to program a choose your own adventure game. You'll have a basic storyline. Have some user make some choices and have a happy ending. I have to give it a happy ending? Crap. And you can modify it as you wish and show off your creative talents. Note before you get in, each of the following exercises will ask you to add on to your previous code. So make sure not to delete or change anything you did in a previous exercise. Ooh. See. It's polite to ask your user if they are ready to play. Using the confirm command, make sure your user is ready to play. For example, what? Check if your user is ready to play. Confirm. You are prepared to come. I don't know what my game is about yet. No.
This is the least.
What is the game about? How can I ask them and get them in the right mindset for this game if I don't know what the game is about before I start making it, Calvin?
Ready for kittens.
No, I don't want to do kittens. Can't
What?
do a crappy game about kittens. I have to do amazing games about kittens. This is going to be a choose your own adventure sandwich making game. How does that sound? Are you prepared? Oh, I could make text Legend of Dungeon. I don't think I could do a choose your own adventure Legend of Dungeon well enough. That'd be fun. But I think I want to make a sandwich making game.
I kind of want to make.
Are you prepared to make amazing sandwiches? that's right. I haven't used the confirm command since like 2 days ago, and I was kind of not paying too much attention because everybody was like, "You don't ever use that in C sharp." Paige at Code Academy says, "You are prepared to make amazing sandwiches?" Okay, okay. I'm ready, guys. This game is about Pokemon. Pokemon sandwiches, huh? All right. Old enough to play. This will involve 2 pieces of code. First, it will use prompt to ask the user for their age, like this.
The sandwich making is
Yeah, it involves butter knives and pre-sliced cheeses
oh my god.
and opening jars. Variable age will hold the user's response. Then we'll use an if-else statement based on the age of the user. Here's an outline of the code similar to what we've seen before. All right, okay, now this doesn't sound too hard. All right, so next part is we'll use a prompt to ask the user for their age. First of all, I feel like that then needs one of these. Okay. Var age equals prompt. Is you to old enough to masterfully wield a slice of bread? No, no, no. A butter knife. Secret ending where you buy a ton of cocaine and kill a dog? Wait, what is happening in my chat right now? You're weird. You're weird people. Then we use an if-else statement based on the age of the user. All right, so then if age is, how do you do less than or equals to? That less than sign and then an equal sign right after it, or the other way around? Calvin. Never mind, I'll just do trial and error. Less than or equal to.
Equals on the next. Say it like write it like you're saying it.
Okay. That's a plus sign. I keep hitting the wrong things. Alex is secretly Gaben. Yeah, that's just a costume that I wear to go out in public.
That would mean I'm married to Gaben. Yeah.
That would mean, yeah, that would mean you're married to Gaben. That, no, I'm not gonna say that. That's mean. That wasn't mean to you. Don't worry. It's just actually it wasn't that mean. Some jokes are not actually good jokes.
Just keep coding.
I know, I'm trying. I'm just confused because all of a sudden it says here, age is less than, all typed out instead of using symbols.
I'm just trying to help you get it right stuff.
That just confuses me. But
I'm trying to help you not tell you exactly what to do.
yeah, but it feels weird. Okay, age equal to or less than. I don't know. How old do you think somebody needs to be to wield a butter knife? Like, I wouldn't trust a 5-year-old with a butter knife. I think 7? Calvin, how old were you when your mom let you make your own sandwiches? You remember?
No, I don't. I say that.
I definitely was making my own sandwiches by 11.
Oh.
But I think it's got to have been before that.
Before that. Look, I can totally make my own sandwiches. Maybe 60.
At least 50.
6.
6? 6 is a safe age?
I think so. I wouldn't trust a 5-year-old with
With a butter knife? 6? So 7. Do 7.
Like a 5-year-old would be stuffing up with
Oh yeah, we don't want a 5-year-old to stick peanut butter up their nose.
Right.
Peanut butter covered knife. It's just.
The 6, you become conscious.
Oh wait, I don't do an end thing there. Wait, so when do I put brackets in? Do I need a var? This var age prompt doesn't need a bracket because it's just a standalone. It's assigning a variable.
Right.
Right?
You
Okay.
only need
So I
brackets
just
if
need
you're
brackets here for this if statement because
Brackets
it's
are
got a
about-
thing
Yeah. You're not
doing a
ending
thing.
It's doing a thing. You're gonna do the things inside of it. That's only having in brackets. You can
Okay.
do things inside of it.
Doing things inside of things. So I need
Yeah.
brackets. All right. Go, people. I'm definitely going to try to stream earlier in the day than this normally, too. Just by the way, guys. Sorry, my brain like froze. I can't remember what I'm doing, so just filling the emptiness with talking about something else. I'm going to focus again. I'm also struggling with like focus in general too because I've got this whole chat thing with all you lovely people. And I want to interact, but I'm trying not to interact because Calvin scolds me when I do. Hey, Calvin, I'm streaming and I'm thirsty. Yeah, I need a glass of water. I drank what I had. You're amazing. I don't. You just rinse it out. It doesn't have to be washed. Oh well, good morning to you, I guess. You get to wake up to watching me code horribly. All right. So we wanted to do what exactly? If the age under the existing code, declare a variable. Age equal to prompt age. If else statement age is less than 13. Use the console log to tell the user they're not allowed to play, but you take no responsibility. All right, so if the age is less than or great or equal to 6, it should say console.log. This is unsafe. Like that.
Oh.
Thanks, QM, Zan. Uh, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. We'll make the greatest indie come ever with my sandwiches. All right. Else. New brackets. Console.log. Hashtag. You are. I want to get like all advanced on this stuff, but I'm also. Oops. Oh, no. What did I just. No, I didn't. I held the shift key down for 8 seconds. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, filter keys. So, do you want? No, I don't want those on. Oh, I don't even know what that does. I didn't even know I could do that.
It's like it's for accessibility feature.
I know, but I've never held down that button for that long before. I've activated the one where you hit it a bunch of times really fast while playing video games. But I've never held it down. But Calvin, I was wondering.
You seem to be not quite right in the head with your keyboard. Here, do you need help? That's what that was.
Oh, is that really what that's for? I was like, so, like, all kinds of pop-ups gonna happen if somebody, like, passes out on their keyboard. Wake up and you're like, oh, I did, like, a whole bunch of things while I was asleep.
Okay. What do you want?
Thanks for the water.
You call me over here or something.
If I wanted, now I know that this is not what this is telling me to do, but I have you here at my beck and call.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask here, it's not telling me how to do this, but if I wanted this to say inside of this console log, you are, and then return the amount that they're putting in as their age, how would I do that?
Okay, take. Ready? Put in a close, I put a space there, and then I close the quotation, and then
The
put
age?
you are space and plus,
Plus,
and then age.
because that's my variable.
Yep. There you go. That would do
Sweet.
it.
And then if I wanted to type extra stuff afterwards, I just start with another quotation mark.
Plus.
Plus?
Yep.
Oh, so it's like adding.
Yeah. Hobbs thinks he's
Your
playing.
kitten is adorable. Look at
he's
him.
ridiculous.
Just wiggling the cat toy with his tail.
So that it moves.
So that
he
it
can attack
moves.
it.
Hold on, guys. Cat cam moment.
No.
No?
Our house is a wreck.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay.
Don't point it at the floor. People will be terrible.
People will be shocked and die in horror.
Right, that would be awful.
You are blank age. It's totes knife wielding time. Let's see if it lets me do that. Oh, end bracket. Bam! Current braces. Hey, Moscow! Yo! I'm not actually literally just doing Code Academy, but right now I am. I'm actually doing Code Academy alongside Unity, right here. Bam! With Mono Develop. So that I'm actually currently using both JavaScript and C#. But right now I'm using a whole bunch of things that are very exclusively JavaScript, so I'm kind of not bouncing back and forth very much. Oh no, Moscow, I didn't think you meant it in a bad way. Yeah, Calvin's lurking. He's kind of half working on Legend of Dungeon and half being distracted by me. He's trying to wholeheartedly work on Legend of Dungeon, but I'm not letting him because I'm a meanie. There was a problem with my syntax. Boo! What did I do wrong? Confirm. You are prepared to make amazing sandwiches? Var age equals prompt. Oops, da-doop, doop-a-doo. Is that it? Did I mess up anything else? Yeah! You are prepared to make amazing sandwiches? Okay. Is you old enough to masterfully wield a butter knife? I'm 15. Okay. Oops, try again. Doesn't look like you checked for the user's age. You are 15. It's totes knife wielding time. Ace, it's totes knife wielding time. What do you mean I didn't check for the user's age? Does it actually, do I have to ask what's your age? Is that why? Oh, that's so boring. Let's see if it does it now. You prefer to make amazing sandwiches. What's your age? Boring is my age. 13. I'm 13 this time. No, I didn't check the user's. Oh. Okay. Moscow, I know. It doesn't actually, that's just text going into that box. I know that it's asking for a number, so I can put in a number. But I don't know why it's telling me that it looks like I didn't check for the user's age. Age prompt. What's your age? If that's what this is, right here.
Got it all wrong.
What did I do wrong, Calvin?
Everything's wrong.
Do I need brackets somewhere that I didn't put brackets?
No. Hold on.
That's
Let's
what.
look through things.
Yes.
Let's
All
figure
right.
it out.
This piece of text, this works. This also works. It gets their age, and it comes back saying that it has gotten their age. But it gives me the error saying that it looks like I didn't ask them their age. I even changed this to the very boring, what's your age? That it asked me to put in.
Hmm.
Yeah. Maybe I need to actually write in age is less than, like it's putting here?
No,
That doesn't make any sense.
it doesn't.
Maybe it's because I'm saying if it's equal to 6 too. No, I didn't check for the user's age. Maybe it's because I've got all this important fancy stuff here. Delete this stuff and I'll just put in the word old. Let's see if that's it. It might just, I can't help but be creative. So it might just not like that I'm actually kind of breaking the mold a little. No.
No, something else. I didn't think
Something
it was
else is
that.
going on. So check if age, maybe I should type age is less than a certain number.
I know this is terrible, but I feel like it wants
No,
age on the first line.
No, it says, no, it said not to delete your things. It said specifically to keep everything from previous lessons. So that's not it. I could put it up top to like readjust it. But I'm gonna try that.
No,
I'm gonna
don't do that.
type in the actual, it might be just a weird Java thing.
No, it's.
It has to be age is 13. Let's try 13. Really? Oh, my code was like fine.
13. Yeah. That'd be
All right, I'm gonna see if I can actually sneak in my other thing because I like that better. You are space plus age plus quotation marks blank space. You are space. It's totes knife wielding time. Start next lesson. Thanks for telling us what was wrong. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, adding some story. Instead of a scene for your story, under all your previous code, print out the following introduction exactly as it is written. Oh, what? Wait, I have to write this? It's crushing my creativity. It's like, maybe not. Okay, I'll just cry later. Actually, I'll just change it after this lesson.
Seriously, anything that
It's so dumb. Oh my
anything that I
god.
do, like I will give you instructions for. I won't even tell you how to do it.
I
You
know.
can do it any way you want. That's how. That's how.
Oh, somebody has said that Calvin's face is amazing. It was Yellow Raccoon 55. I think your face is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty.
No, Pascal, no! You've been like ruined by whatever it is you do for a living. Keep hold of these unicorn values. Is this really what it wants me to do? Please be wrong. Amazing as sandwiches. Jabber alone. Yeah, that's what it wants me to say. I'm gonna kill Justin Bieber. My butter knife. It's gonna happen. All right, next lesson. Oh, great. Next, your user is about to talk to Justin Bieber. Seriously, this thing is like trying to crush my soul right now. Why is it making me do this? Oh my
You can
god.
stab me with the butter knife. It's fine.
I'm having like a breakdown. No, it's okay.
You can try the thing. I was gonna try to get you to do it if you want to do that instead.
No, no, no. I have to get past this.
Okay.
I am not at a Justin Bieber concert. Where am I? You're at a magical
Yeah.
sandwich
There's definitely some trolling going on here.
kitchen. Yeah, you guys are being so supportive.
Mm-hmm.
Be nice. Everything that you say and do will be recorded and you'll be judged later. And you see a sign that says make me a sandwich. Or not. Whatever. There. Now, I have to put in this stupid code that it wants me to do. Under your, now, your user is about to talk to Justin Bieber. Under your existing code, print out the storyline. Suddenly, Bieber stops and says, "Who wants to race me?" God, this is so freaking painful. I am 90 years old. Okay. Oh wait, I only did part of what I didn't even do part two. I'm just so upset about Justin Bieber. Okay, what's the second part? Then declare a variable user answer. So var user answer. Make it equal a prompt. Equals prompt. Well, look at me, I'm coding. Do you see all of this stuff? If I didn't know what I was doing, that would make no sense whatsoever. You guys behave in chat. Seriously. I'm already suffering enough with this Viber crap. Do you want to raise Viber on stage? Let's stab him with sandwich knives? I'm violent. I'm sorry. I don't really approve that whatsoever. I'm just grumpy. All right, so if I was making this a choose your own adventure thing, shouldn't it say suddenly Viber stops and says who wants to race me as part of the pop-up? Because right now I just have a view of text down here. This is the worst choose your own adventure story ever. No. Okay, way to go. Next lesson. All right. So instead, says here, you should totes make yourself a sandwich, one for the sign. Oh, wait. Self for a sandwich. Then, do you also make one for the sign? Yeah, there we go. Now we have to create different scenarios. Good thing we know how to do that using if and else statements. If user answer is yes, print out you and Viber start racing. It's neck and neck. You win by a shoelace. Otherwise, print out, oh no, Viber shakes his head and sings, I set a pace so I can race without pacing. Are these actual... I'm getting upset. I can't wait for this to be over. Okay. No. I'm so upset I want to tweet about it, man. I'm tweet at Byron and be like, screw you for being born to make a stupid thing of this. Ah! Okay. It's all right. Okay. Yeah. How are you supposed to say Biber? Beeper? I don't know how you. I don't. I
The
don't.
fact that you don't know makes you love me more.
Oh, does it make you love me more? Mate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
The fact that you can't talk doesn't help. Ah, oh my god.
Oh no, somebody can't see the video. Hope they figure it out. Okay. Okay. So, our user answer equals prompt. All right. So now I need a new if statement. So if user answer equals yes, womp. Oh, oops, I capitalized console. I wasn't supposed to do that. Right. Console.log. I'm so glad I can at least copy and paste this and I don't have to actually write down these things about Justin Bieber. Bieber? Cooper? Ah. Moscow, I have no idea how to pronounce his name. It looks like it's spelled Bieber. B-I-E, Burr. Bieber. I don't know. How's it spelled? Fiber. How's it pronounced? Fiber. I don't know. Bieber? Bieber. Okay. Whatever. Still hate that I have to make. It's like it's not a choose your own adventure. You know what it is? It's upsetting me. It's that here I am making a choose your own adventure game, and I have no choice in the matter for what I'm
really
putting.
Error you out if you put the wrong thing in? Does it really do that? Ooh. Really? You have to put that in there? Does it say you absolutely must?
Says you have to. It's telling me to do all these things. Maybe I should just ignore it and try it myself by myself.
Okay, worst comes to worst, you gotta put some. Just change like a couple letters and see if it.
Okay, and this. Okay. See if it.
Good.
I'm continuing my thing. It's neck and neck. You slap him and win.
Good.
So, okay, all right, and then otherwise, so then here's.
Not gonna.
What's wrong?
Look, you've got all kinds of problems.
I'm not done. Here's like this needs to go and this goes, and probably have other things that are problems.
Yep. It's okay. You'll get them.
What else did I do wrong?
Figure it out. But it must be done.
Thanks, Othbot. Oh, hi, by the way. Welcome to my stream. Oh, there's 19 people here. You guys are awesome. Super cool. I think people are spreading the word. It's really exciting. I hope so, because I like the idea of people actually doing this along with me at some point, perhaps, maybe, sometimes. So do I do this? Well, okay, I'm gonna wait. No, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna be brave. There. Else. Loop. There. Let's see if it lets me do that. Oops, I left out some things. I just noticed that before I hit the. Okay. Okay, so this is all oat. I mistyped the thing. Oats. All right, anyhow. User answer equals prompt. Do you? If user answer equals yes, console log, Q Fiber start racing, it's neck and neck, you slap him and win. Else, console log. Knows the signs, blah, 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 bam. So maybe it is just the one equals. Unexpected identifier. Oh, I left out. These. Okay. Getting there, I'm getting there. Did I leave anything else? No, it didn't, which is good. I want to find out.
Well, in Unity and stuff, you'll be able to see how it's on that time. It's gone.
So this, I had it before I had extra equals, so I'm going to put those back. Because that, I think, is what I need to do. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Sweet.
Oh, you're missing another thing.
I am.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Ah!
Okay.
Bam!
Fast.
I'm getting it. I really, I'm feeling parts of it actually sticking to my gray matter.
Like,
Pretty cool.
Like lint. In
Very much like cotton candy.
Mm.
And the little stick that goes in the cotton candy. My cotton candy is slowly
I like that.
gathering.
I like that as a
Amazing sandwiches! Ah, so fun.
I'm Lordy.
Do you also make a sandwich with a stein? Yes.
But yes, they're options.
Try it with this.
That's it.
I'm going to find out in a moment, aren't I?
Did you
No
remember to put a
answer
no?
option.
Did they teach you else ifs?
No.
They just said else ifs.
What?
No.
What? I said. They just. What are you saying? As in.
I'm asking if they taught else if.
No, I said they didn't.
Just if and else.
Yes.
Well, then you do have a no, obviously, because you have an else.
It wants me to put this in. God. But look, I can see. And I can stick it in later. Good are you? Stupid program making me do things. Does that work? Bam. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yep. See?
That's lame.
Totes lame. Totes. Sorry, I don't normally use that in language, but because I got to put it in here, I'm all excited by it. Oh man. Okay, next this is okay. This is not super difficult programming. Like what I'm doing here is actually just using all of the stuff that I learned previously.
That's all programming.
I know, but I'm just saying it's not like okay. So
Okay.
far it's super easy. The hardest part is emotional right now. I am being wrung ragged by this whole thing. This Justin Bieber stuff. The fact that I'm not able to be creative while I'm doing this is very upsetting. So where should I be putting these brackets? I have noticed that they've been going on separate lines, and it seems weird because that's not how MonoDevelop does it. Sometimes, like this else statement has them right around it. There seems to be no uniformity in where these curly bracket things go. Like, see, these two are right
This is the same thing
here.
as everything else. Look, you can do this. Look, watch this.
But it.
You make your own
But
system.
it automatically
You can
does
do this.
things. I
You
thought.
can do this if you want. This will run.
Okay.
You understand? It's just about making it nice. And there's many ways to make it nice, and this has a way of making it.
So if I hit save here, it'll nicify it the way it wants it to look?
Yeah. You can set up the settings inside of MonoDevelop to make it save different ways.
I see.
It's just stylization.
Okay, so it's your own personal. Yeah. Okay.
Like brackets and I do it differently.
Bracket placement is a holy war. And I'm gonna mispronounce. I don't think
when I say I do it differently, I mean I don't care, and they're all over the place.
Lysion Games says if you don't put brackets on the same line as the statement they belong to, you are literally Hitler. Well, that's good to know, I guess. Thanks for the warning.
People feel very strongly about it.
It's a waste of space otherwise. It's all about efficiency for you. I see how it is. All right. Well, now that I'm on to the next lesson, I could sneak my unique, good, actual, proper stuff in here instead of this upsetting and stuff. the sign's on a stomach. So if yes, you make the sign, you make what the sign asked for, which is a sandwich. You grab, oh, that grab. Why am I capitalizing things randomly? I'm so confused now. You grab some extra bread, roll up your sleeves. No, 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 that's not what you're gonna do. Grab a sparkly, no, and grab a crystal butter knife that you see on one of the counters. This is a magical sandwich kitchen. I have to confirm this is magical, so I must create magical things inside of my story. See, I know how to make stuff, guys. It's just Bieber stuff, fiber. Now I can't remember which is right anyhow. That's okay. I am a rebel with sandwiches, Yellow Raccoon. You are so right. Ikeon. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Sorry. I knew I was going to mispronounce it. All right. Worthwhile asking your user for feedback. Wait, in the middle of my text adventure? I'm asking for feedback? Wait, let me read this. Maybe they actually mean something better. Create a variable called feedback and prompt the user to rate your game. Oh my gosh! Sure, I have given you almost no content. Rate my game on the App Store. Let's do this. Var feedback equals prompt. And then I probably have to do whatever it is they say. Rate your game out of 10. Out of 10, how many sandwiches can you eat if they are small sandwiches? Oh. And this is the rate this game on the App Store game. All right. And then depending, oh, depending on how people rate my game, it lets them race at the next concert or not. That's so, this is horrible. Just taking my soul and going, oh, okay. Hello, Fawful.
Or like, how do we get more teenage girls to like code?
No, I think it's more like how do we torture the people we're trying to teach and amuse ourselves at the same time.
I believe that.
I think it's more just to make this memorable. Horrible. I'm not going to be using stuff like this very often.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to do Java stuff too much.
You're learning code.
I know. But like,
I'll go about.
yeah.
So far, you haven't done it.
No, I haven't done anything complicated. I know that much. It's all been fairly simple. All right. If, now I need to make an if statement. If the black greater than 8, brackety, brackety. Inside of the brackets, command. Console, not command. Console.log. What do I have to say? Thank you. We should race at the next concert. Else. Keep practicing coding and racing. I like almost want to write a letter of complaint. Oh, this is hard. I don't want to do this Viber stuff. Is that right? Let's see if it lets me do that. Amazing sandwiches. Bloop. Age. No. No. I don't want to feed the sign. That's dumb. You know the signs don't have stomachs. And you're not going to waste a perfectly good sandwich on it. Out of 10, how many sandwiches can you eat if they're small sandwiches? Oh, I could totally eat like 7 sandwiches if they're small. Yeah, that worked. Sweet. I had to rate it out of 10, but it didn't. That one didn't restrict my text. It just said it had to rate it out of 10. Start next lesson. Next steps. Congratulations, you've just programmed your first game. It's incredibly impressive. Wow. Including the app rating pop-up. That's horrible. Okay. They're small sandwiches. If feedback is greater than 8, say, wow, that's a lot of sandwiches. You need to get more bread. More bread. Please send a $3 check to me to continue this adventure. Just like back in the day, I don't know how many of you were around back when there was lots of, like, they would actually ask you, they'd be like, oh, this is all of the game you get for free. Mail me a check. And then you can play the rest of the game. Did you ever have that happen, Colin?
Nope.
Never played any of those games?
Yeah, of course.
Like the shareware games? That stuff? Yeah, this is totally Half-Life 3. And then, if you eat less than 8, that sounds pretty normal. Honestly, the game designer part of me is seriously upset at this because I'm like, okay, wait, it just made you make a decision, and then the next thing that happens completely ignores any decision that you just made. Asks you a completely arbitrary question. And it didn't, there's no, if, there's no responses to those alternate responses. It's, oh, roar, roar, in my angry hands. Okay, all right, I'm just learning how to code. This is functional stuff. It's okay. You are prepared to make amazing sandwiches? Okay, your age, 33. It's a good age for making sandwiches. You are at a magical sandwich kitchen. And you see a sign that says, make me a sandwich or not, whatever. You should make yourself a sandwich. Do you also make one for the sign? No. You know that signs don't have stomachs and are not going to waste a perfectly good sandwich on it. Out of 10 sandwiches, how many sandwiches can you eat if they are small sandwiches? I can eat like 9 small sandwiches. Wow, that's a lot of sandwiches. You need to get more bread. Please send a $3 check to me to continue this adventure. Hey, I earned a badge. We earned a badge, guys. You're doing this along with me. Most of you probably already know how to code. So, but good job anyhow for knowing how to code. Got the thumbs up. Like a thumbs up wheel happening over here. I'm gonna stop now. Horrible. Okay. I think the horror is over, but I also think I'm gonna stop now because wow, I honestly I can't express to you how angry that made my insides. It's stressful. I was stressed out by my being forced to type things about Justin Bieber. It's horrible.